Prepare to view The Tortoise and the Hare. Videos are short movies. Some videos give information. Others are for you to watch for enjoyment. Watch and listen for the lesson the video teaches, how the pictures, words, and sounds work together to tell a story. Set a purpose. Watch to find out who the characters are and what they look like. Find out what the characters do, say, and feel to help you understand why they act as they do. Building background, tortoise and hares. Listen to the audio to find out about tortoises and hares.
A tortoise is a reptile. It is a kind of a turtle. It lives on land and has a hard shell that protects its body. Tortoises have claws for digging, but they don't have any teeth. Instead, they have a mouth with sharp edges for biting their food. Tortoises have been living on Earth since the time of the dinosaurs. A hare is a mammal that is like a rabbit, but is usually bigger and has longer ears. Hares move much faster than tortoises. Some hares can run over 40 miles per hour.
The tortoise and the hare. As you view, use the pictures and words to find out what the tortoise and hare are like. What do they do? Look for details to help you understand why the characters act the way they do. What lessons do they learn?
A speedy hare lived in the woods. She was always bragging to the other animals about how fast she could run. The animals grew tired of listening to the hare, so one day the tortoise walked slowly up to her and challenged her to a race. The hare howled with laughter. "Race you? I can run circles around you," the hare said, but the tortoise didn't budge. "Okay, tortoise, you want a race? You've got it. This will be a piece of cake." The animals gathered to watch the big race. A whistle blew and they were off. The hare sprinted down the road while the tortoise crawled away from the starting line. The hare ran for a while and looked back. She could barely see the tortoise on the path behind her. Certain she'd win the race, the hare decided to rest under a shady tree. The tortoise came plodding down the road at his usual slow pace. He saw the hare, who had fallen asleep against a tree trunk. The tortoise crawled right on by. The hare woke up and stretched her legs. She looked down the path and saw no sign of the tortoise. "I might as well go win this race," she thought. As the hare rounded the last curve, she was shocked by what she saw. The tortoise was crossing the finish line. The tortoise had won the race. The confused hare crossed the finish line. "Wow, tortoise," the hare said. "I really thought there was no way you could beat me." The tortoise smiled.
"I know. That's why I won."
Use details from the tortoise and hare to answer these questions with a partner. Characters describe the hare. Why does the hare stop to rest during the race? What lessons does the hare learn after the race? Speak loudly enough so that your partner can hear you. Do not speak too fast or too slow. You might say, "I think that blank."